I can have my grandkids to stay. That means if my son just before Christmas had a bit of a problem at home with his neighbours, he stayed. This tax is actually targeting poor people who haven't got a voice. It's targeting disabled people. Why? I've got three. I've got 3 bedrooms. This may be a bit controversial. I'm quite happy to actually pay the bedroom tax for my 2 bedrooms that I don't actually use. But I'll only do it if the Tories, who've got the government or whoever they are, who've got all those bedrooms will pay it as well. I'll pay £10 a room, I'll pay £20 a week. If they'll pay 80, 90, £100 a week, they won't need to then tax these people. They won't need to throw them out of the houses. And I'd just like to say, I'm not going to talk long because I've only just turned up to support what's going on here. I'd like to say to the chap from the NHS who just said that ordinary people are the people who will be able to sort this. June will tell you that I've campaigned, as you know, as I've introduced, against the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan. When Tony Blair were going to be made Premier of Europe, I went and refused to shake his hand, and the other members of the European Union turned against him, and they wouldn't. So I'm an ordinary person. I did that. You're all ordinary people. You can all do it as well. You support all the campaigns. If we all work together, they have to listen to us. I'm not going to say a great deal more because you've obviously got a lot of people that you want to speak, you want to listen to. But we can stick together. If we stick together, we can change things. Yay.